Good morning, students. Last class started the lesson. Here is selfish Jane, part 1, children. Here is old Jane. Then here is a garden. He has a garden, his own garden. That is, he thought that. It is his own garden. Next here is he spends almost all for here is for some time his friend's house. There is his friend. Who was his friend here? Cornish Agri. Here is his friend. He spent almost there is here is 7 years, and he came back to his garden. At that time, all children, school children, playing in his garden. He thought that it was his own garden, so he decided no one should allow to play in his garden. So we understood that this is selfish. So in this way he built a high wall around his garden. But some children, that is, here is they won't enter into his garden because of high wall. Children here, some children's comment just we understood last class. Now here what happened? When the old Jane did not allow some children, that is some school children in his garden, what happened? Here is the nature. So generally spring season brought so many changes in the nature especially. Nature has changed its everything at the time of spring season. But here children, we observed, especially except to old Jane's garden, remaining almost all places, spring season came and changed everything. So blossoms are there, ripe fruits are there, greenery, yellowish, here is yellow flowers is there, here is, and greenish, and the beautiful nature is there. But the old Jane, he thought that he was, spring season did not visit his garden. He felt that. That is, he is thinking, why didn't spring season visit my garden? He is thinking in this way because he didn't know, that is, he is selfish. Of course, he knew he is selfish, but he never changed his mindset. Generally, people, we find so many things, people, but never change. మనలో కూడా చాలా మంది వస్తాం, వాళ్ళు బాధపడుతున్నప్పుడు మనం సహాయం హెల్ప్ చేయడం అనేది ఉండదు. హెల్ప్ చేయకపోగా ఇంకేమైనా కామెంట్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం, అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. సెల్ఫిష్ అంటాం. ఈ సెల్ఫిష్ని మనం రెడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవాల్సి. We have to reduce selfishness. Then we have to develop humanity in the place of selfish. Everyone should develop humanity. Because nature, that is, gives abundant things. Here is water, fresh air, and fruits, vegetables, rice, everything for us on this earth. What happened to us? We are selfish manner. We are behaving in selfish way. So that here is we are destroying the nature, polluted nature because of selfishness. So here is now we are facing this kind of problem. Yes, children, you stayed at home. COVID-19, that is corona. Why this? At that time, many people, that is will change. So some changed. Some, that is they helped in different ways. Now children, because of the nature changed everything. Not only human beings, everything. It has a great power. It has a mighty power, supreme power. That is. So here, the old Jane thought that his garden, spring season did not visit his garden. It's a problem with that. Next. Here is what happened after that. Snow, frost. Here things, children. Snow, frost, north wind, north wind, snow, frost, north wind. Next here is hail, snow, frost, north wind. Here is hail. So here is snow, frost, first visitors. After that they invite north wind. After that north wind invite hail. These things here is winter season. I told you children, here is season between winter and summer when plants begin to grow. This is especially spring season. Spring season begins here is it comes between winter and summer. Winter and summer madhya vachche season. The spring season here it plants should grow. Blossoms here is there and birds, that is birds come and sing together for the trees. Here is, but winter is there. So winter season that is stayed in old Jane's garden. Winter season here is there. So snow, frost stayed in his garden for a long time, along with north wind stayed and hail, wadagal stayed here is. These are the visitors, guests of old Jane's garden. Stayed and disturbed old Jane and destroyed him. How? Now children, page number 37. Old Jane feeling is the last, that is two paragraphs up to that is last three paragraphs. Old Jane. So old hail came. You know children, hail means pellets of frozen rain. Vadagallu, gadgadu rain, vadagallu. Came every day for 3 hours. He rattled means that is a short loud noises here is there. Roof of the castle till he broke most of the slates. And then he ran and round the garden as fast as he could go. Wherever he that is goes, that is the sound, that is the rats. Vadagala vaadu ekkadiki velli akkadiki vachesesi disturb చేస్తుంది. Slates అన్ని బ్రేక్ చేసేసి ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్. He was dressed in grey color అంటే బూడిద రంగులో ఉండి దాంతో ఉన్నాడు. And his breath was like ice. So because of frost, so ice, his breath was ice. I sat at the window. I means here who is I? Old Jane. Window and looked at my cold white garden. So he's here. He sat the window. He sat the window just like that and looked out my cold white garden. అక్కడ అతను విండో దగ్గర కూర్చున్నాడు. కూర్చొని ఏం చూస్తున్నాడు చిల్డ్రన్? చుట్టూరు నుండి గార్డెన్ చూస్తాడు. హౌ ఇట్ వాస్ వైట్ కలర్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ స్నో, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాస్ట్, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వింటర్ సీజన్ మనకు కనపడే స్నో, మంచు, పొగ మంచు. ఎక్కడ చూసినా పెద్ద పెద్ద హెవీ విండ్స్ అండ్ హెయిల్. సో this is the situation especially we found old Jane's garden. Now children, next the Jane. Here is the Jane means another character, but here is the Jane is nothing but old Jane. ikkada Jane and old Jane ఒకటే. Old Jane తర్వాత Jane అవుతాడు. అంటే Jane అయిన తర్వాత change his character, change his set of mind also. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. So he doesn't. Old Jane, that is his feelings. He did not know. He can't understand why spring season came. That is here is late coming to his garden. ఎందుకని స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ నా గార్డెన్ కి రావటం లేట్ అయింది, ఆలస్యమైంది. ఇతనికి తెలియదు, ఇతనికి అర్థం కావట్లేదు. I hope there will be a change in the weather. Generally children, we found that this is the rainy season, but rain doesn't come at this time. So when we go to winter season, that is some rains will come, will get. Because of here is we won't expect. Nature should be changed. It is changed. So here is the, I hope there will be a change in the weather. So here the Jain thought that some changes in the weather. Some changes in the weather. Next, old Jain. But the spring never came. But the spring never came. Nor the summer. Summer radu, spring radu. Spring season are neither nor. Neither nor means two seasons here mentioned. One is spring and another one is summer. These are not visiting. సమ్మరు వింటర్ ఉండి వింటర్ తర్వాత వచ్చి సమ్మరు రావట్లేదు, ఇట్ స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ రావట్లేదు. ద ఆటమ్ గేవ్ గోల్డెన్ ఫ్రూట్ టు ఎవరీ గార్డెన్ సీజన్, హియర్ ఆటమ్ సీజన్. బట్ టు మై గార్డెన్ షీ గేవ్ నన్. ఆటమ్ సీజన్ brought so many, that is the fruits, but in his garden none. So that is old giant, that is observed that the autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to my garden means here his garden, old giant's garden. పడి కొడతారు my garden అంటున్నాడు. My garden she gave, she means here season, she gave none. సో బయట ఉన్నటువంటి గార్డెన్స్ అనేది కూడా చెట్లకి చక్కగా మంచి కాయలు వచ్చేసినాయి, నా గార్డెన్కి రాలేదంటున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆటమ్, he is autumn season అని చెప్తున్నారు సార్. What is coming by autumn season? He is too selfish. Who is too selfish? Old giant is too selfish. Old giant is too selfish. So he is too selfish. So nothing is there. అతను బాగా స్వార్థపరుడు కాబట్టి, సో why should we go? Why should we go? Why should we do some favor to his garden? మేము ఎందుకు ఫేవర్ చేయాలి, మేము ఎందుకు విజిట్ చేయాలి తన గార్డెన్ అని here autumn season remark to that. Next children, last line children, see that old giant. It was always winter here. Winter season is there. Snow, frost, north wind and hail. Here winter season is in his garden. So here is there, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow danced about through the streets. These all, here is snow, frost, north wind, hail. Here is dance. Here is throughout his garden. Throughout his garden. His garden refers to old giant's garden. Old giant's garden. Because of here is selfish. Because of here is selfish. సెల్ఫిష్, స్వార్థంగా ఉంటే నాది నాది నాకు కావాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం ఫేస్ చేయక తప్పు, ఇప్పుడు కాకపోయినా ఫ్యూచర్లో అయినా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సమ్ ఫేవర్, సమ్ హెల్ప్ టు ద నీడీ పర్సన్స్, టు ద పూర్ పీపుల్ వెన్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ బెటర్ పొజిషన్. మనం బెటర్గా ఉన్నాం పర్లేదు అన్నప్పుడు మనకున్నటువంటి స్థాయిలో మనం చేయగలిగినటువంటి ఫేవర్ కావచ్చు, హెల్ప్ కావచ్చు, డెఫినెట్గా ఎవరైతే నీడీ పర్సన్స్ వాళ్ళకి మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్, నీడీ పూర్ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళు మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. చిల్డ్రన్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్. హియర్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ఓల్డ్ జైన్. Here is the same characters and seasons are here is visitors of his garden, snow, frost, north wind and hail. They danced, they disturbed. That is because of old giant selfishness. This is the part 1. And next class, so I think I will start part 2. How that is old giant became, that is the giant, and what about the giant role and how he changed himself. What are the changes? Finally, what happened in the story? I think I shall explain by next class. Children, I told only one thing. The first part is completed. Then you should go. That is first onwards a lesson, and you have to read and once or twice, and then slow reading and try to understand the concept of the topic, concept of the lesson. Children, okay? I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.